Okay.
Tell me whenever you're ready.
I'm ready. Okay, we're here looking at the Donewell. We're going to back up and we're going to cycle it here. Want to cycle it there? Okay, here we got our operator.
Now we're coming down.
We're coming down on the machine right now. Looking good. Okay. We're going to come in here and take a close-up of the control.
And then if you want...
Now this is an updated control.
Yes.
And we're going to come in here a little tighter. And we are going to get a screen display. Then we're going to pan up over here. And we're going to come over here to the cylinder. And we're going to come in tight. The cover was off because they replaced the hydraulic pump on top, right?
Yes.
There. And that is why the cover is off. And the only sign of any oil at all is right there. Okay, we pan back out. And we come down and look at the fancy foot treadle. Port and starboard. Okay. Panning back and out. If you could continue to cycle the machine for me. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Cycle the press play.